Welcome back. In this video, we are going to see another operation with binary search tree, which is insertion. So, insertion is again a very interesting topic. So, before we insert, you have to create a node for the given value. So, think that you have to insert a node with value 15. Let us take, you have to insert a node which is having value 15. So you have to create a node with new node operation. Once it is done, check whether tree is empty. So there are certain scenarios where the tree is empty, but still you need to insert. So whether if tree is empty, what happens? The node which you have created is going to be the root node. So please remember this. Otherwise, so if tree is empty, then set root to new node, or the node which you have just created is going to be the root node. So if tree is not empty, then check whether the value of new node is smaller or larger than the node. Now what happened? I have to insert a node which has got value as 15, and this should be inserted at the right place. It's not like your binary tree. This has to be inserted at the right place. Okay. So what is the first thing? You have to compare the given value with the root. So what happened? 15 is larger than 8. So if node is smaller than or equal to node, you have to move to the left side. If the node is larger than the node, then you have to move to the right side. So you have to repeat this step till we reach a leaf node. So if you take this particular case, 15 is larger than 8. So you have to move to the next node. So you have to compare 15 with 10. 10 is the next root node. So what happened? 15 is larger than 10. So again you have to move to the right. So next you have to compare with 14. So you have to compare 14 and 15. 14 and 15. So 15 is larger than the 14. That means again you have to move to the right. But what happened in this particular stage, or for this particular node, there is no right node. So what happened? You can insert this 15 over here. So we have successfully inserted. After reaching a leaf node, then insert the new node as left child if new node is smaller or equal to the leaf, else insert it as right child. So we have inserted it as a right child. So we have successfully inserted a node. So let me repeat. First you have to create a node, compare it with root node. If it is smaller than root node, proceed with the left subtree. If it is larger than the root node, proceed with the right subtree. Keep doing it till we reach to a leaf node. After reaching a leaf node, then insert new node as a left child if new node has got smaller value than the, or smaller or equal that of the leaf node. If it is larger than leaf, insert it as a right child. Next is deletion operation. So deletion is when we perform deletion, we come across three different kinds of scenarios, three different cases. So the first case is you can delete a leaf node. Everyone knows what is a leaf node. Leaf node is a node which does not have any children. So 4 is a leaf node. Second one is delete a node with one child. See, you want to delete 14. 14 is a node which has got a single child. Next is delete a node with two children. So if you take other nodes like 3 or 10, these are the nodes which has got two children. So all these cases you have to treat differently. Let me repeat. We will come across three scenarios, three cases when we have to delete a node from a binary search tree. The first one is you have to delete a leaf node. The node to be deleted is a leaf node. Second one is the node to be deleted has got one child. The third case is the node to be deleted has got two children. So let us see these cases one by one. So deleting a leaf node. So deleting a leaf node is very simple. Find the node to be deleted using a search operation. Delete the node using free function. We have studied this and we can terminate this if it is a leaf node. If the node to be deleted is a node with one child, we have to make little more precautions, little more, no, you have to be little more careful with this. So we have to use the following steps. First thing is find the node to be deleted. You have to perform a search operation. Please visualize. We are going to delete a binary search tree, a node in that which has got a single child. So you have to find the node to be deleted. So if it has only one child, then create a link between its parent and child nodes. So let me take the previous case. So you want to delete this node. We'll take it as 14. This you are going to delete because it has got a single child. So when I delete, what happened to this 13? 13 does not have no parent. So you have to create a link between 10 and 13 where it has to be inserted. We cannot insert 13 to the right of 10 because left of 10 because 13 is larger than 10. So this has to be inserted at the right place. Am I clear? Let me make it more clear. So the second case we are talking about, we are going to delete a node. We are going to delete a node. Let us take it as 14, which has got a single child. Now when I delete this 14, what happened to 13? This will get detached. I cannot leave this as it is. So this should be attached to the right place. So where should I attach this? So you have to compare this 13 with 10. So 13 is larger than 10. So this should be attached to the right of 10. So you are going to attach this. So that is the case with deleting a node with one child. Let us see the last case, deleting a node with two children. So first thing is you have to find node to be deleted. Think that you want to delete 3. Let us take 3 has to be deleted. So how do you find this? Obviously you have to use a search operation for this. Once you have got this, if it has two children, obviously we are searching for a node which has got two children. Find the largest node on its left subtree or the smallest node on its right subtree. So you have to find which is the largest on left. Either you can find the smallest on left, largest on the left or smallest on its right subtree. So smallest if you take, this is 4. Here 1 and 4 you are going to get. Next, swap both deleting node and node with found in the above step. You can delete, you can swap it. What you are going to swap? Swap both delete node and node which found in the above step. What are the above step? So we have found largest and smallest. You are going to swap it. Next, check whether deleted node come to case 1 or case 2. When you have done it, there are cases where, what was the case? Which is going to be a node without any children or which is going to be a node with a single child. So if it comes to case 1, delete using the first logic. If it is case 2, delete using second logic. So this is a way we can delete a node with two children. So repeat the same process until node is deleted from the tree. So you have to remember, you have to recycle, you have to repeat, you have to iterate through this 7 steps. First thing is you have to find the node, then you have to find the largest node in the left subtree and smallest node in the right subtree, swap it, then you have to check for the cases. If it is case 1, you know what you have to do. If it is case 2, you know what